Okay, so we've got the header. We also need the footer. So let's see if we have anything that we can use for footer. So I think I'll go with this one. Let's go with this one. So there's the code right here, and same thing. Whatever components you have, you're going to put them inside of component directory. So like we created header, let's create footer. So I'm going to create a directory called footer. I'm going to create index.js. You know how to create the component now. Just create index.js, put function, because components are, we are using function based components. We'll name it as footer. A function needs to return something, so it returns JSX here, and then I'll paste it here. I'll also rename the section to footer. So, yep, you can name it whatever you want. And then I just have to fix this SVG thing. I think it needs to have the closing tag. There you go. Same thing here as well. If the elements don't have anything inside of it, then they need to have a closing tag and not like this. Okay, I think this is good enough. It's all good. All I have to do now is import this footer. Now where do I import it? Of course, I don't want to import it inside of layout because, sorry, I don't want to import it inside of home. I want to do it inside of layout, because that way, whichever page I'm going to use layout, the footer is going to be automatically included. So I'll do that here. So I'll say footer. Of course, I have to export footer, because by just creating a component, it's not going to be available outside the world. You have to export it also. So you'll do export default footer, and then we'll say footer. So now you can see that it's imported on top. You have header imported, you have footer imported, and whatever is the content goes in between. Okay, so now if you go back and check, you can see that you've got footer here, which is great. Okay.